Hey guys, Alex here, and today I have something really cool I want to show you guys. This is a prototype of the Invis 84 by Keycab Labs. They sent this to me for absolutely free and told me that the group buy is also free. All you have to do to enter is like the video and subscribe to the channel. And when all the boards are ready to be shipped, one will be sent right to your doorstep. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so here's a typing test.
Words for the way I breathe. Jump on this like Justice League. Raise my hands, that's all I need. Not the vibes, what could it be? I was on top, wait, I don't wanna stop it. That's because I flow toxic, or maybe too obnoxious. I get lost in the sauce of sound, don't wanna take these rounds, wanna head east, I'm bound, wanna feel good, I'm down. So you can go in a mode, lose my thoughts, bad alone.